Do you feel like you understand Arabic until you actually hear it? Listening is one of the hardest skills to build, but also one of the most important. In this video, you're going to train your listening skills step by step. Let's get started. Welcome back to Arabic with Amina. This is a guided listening practice, meaning I will be there with you for every step, and it is a beginner's level. There will be 3 short passages. For each passage, we have 3 to 5 questions. Then, we'll listen to a short passage. I'll give you time to answer. Then, the passage will appear on the screen, and we'll go through the answers together. Finally, you'll see the full text with English translation and color coding so you can learn new vocabulary. Make sure to pause the video and really try to answer before checking. Now, let's start. الفقرة الأولى. The first passage. Our questions for this passage are: ما اسم المتحدثة؟ من أين هي؟ كم عدد إخوتها؟ اسمي سارة. أنا من مصر. عندي أخ وأختان. أبي طبيب وأمي مدرسة. Take your time to come up with the answers for this passage. I will be showing the passage on the screen now. The answer to the first question, ما اسم المتحدثة, can be found in the first sentence. اسمي سارة. The answer to the second question, من أين هي, is found in the second sentence. أنا من مصر. The last question, كم عدد إخوتها, how many siblings does she have? The answer can be found here. عندي أخ وأختان. 1 brother and 2 sisters, meaning she has 3 siblings. ثلاثة. Here's the breakdown for the passage in English. اسمي سارة. My name is Sarah. أنا من مصر. I am from Egypt. عندي أخ وأختان. I have a brother and 2 sisters. أبي طبيب وأمي مدرسة. My dad is a doctor and my mother is a teacher. Now, on to our second passage, الفقرة الثانية. The questions for this passage are: متى ذهب المتحدث إلى السوق؟ اذكر فاكهة واحدة مما اشتروا. كيف كان الجو؟ في يوم الجمعة ذهبت مع أصدقائي إلى السوق. اشترينا بعض الفواكه مثل الموز والتفاح والبرتقال. ثم جلسنا في مقهى صغير وشربنا قهوة. كان الجو ممطرا وقضينا وقتا ممتعا. Feel free to pause the video while you think about the answers. The passage will be showing up on the screen now. The first question, متى ذهب المتحدث إلى السوق? When did the speaker go to the market? That answer can be found in the first sentence. في يوم الجمعة ذهبت مع أصدقائي إلى السوق. So, the answer is ذهب يوم الجمعة. If you're having trouble understanding all of the words used in this passage, don't worry, we're going to have the English translation color-coded after answering the questions. Moving on to question number 2. اذكر فاكهة واحدة مما اشتروا. Mention one fruit that they bought. In the second sentence, we can see that they bought بعض الفواكه, some fruit, مثل الموز والتفاح والبرتقال. So they bought these three fruits: الموز, bananas, تفاح, apples, and برتقال, orange. You can mention any one. كيف كان الجو? How was the weather? كان الجو ممطرا. It was rainy. Here is the sentence by sentence, word by word translation for this passage. On Friday, I went with my friends to the market. We bought some fruits such as bananas, apples, and oranges. Then we sat in a small cafe and drank coffee. The weather was rainy, and we had a good time. And for our final passage, الفقرة الثالثة. Before we start our الفقرة الثالثة, I don't do a lot of these listening practice videos, and I'm not sure if this is what you guys want to see more of. So let me know in the comments. Now our questions for this passage are: كيف يذهب إلى المدرسة؟ ما هي مادته المفضلة؟ في أي ساعة يرجع إلى البيت؟ أنا طالب في المدرسة. أستيقظ كل يوم في الساعة 6 صباحا. آكل الفطور مع عائلتي ثم أذهب إلى المدرسة بالحافلة. مادتي المفضلة هي الرياضيات. أرجع إلى البيت في الساعة 3 في المساء. And that is the end of our passage. Take some time to think about the answers to the questions displayed on your screen. If you need more time, go ahead and pause. The passage is showing up now. Our first question: كيف يذهب إلى المدرسة? How does he go to school? We can find the answer to that question in this sentence. ثم أذهب إلى المدرسة بالحافلة. So the answer would be بالحافلة, by bus. The second question is asking: ما هي مادته المفضلة? What is his favorite subject? The answer to that is mentioned here. مادتي المفضلة هي الرياضيات. So his favorite subject is math. That was actually my favorite subject in school as well. What about you guys? Our final question: في أي ساعة يرجع إلى البيت? The answer is found in the final sentence. أرجع إلى البيت في الساعة 3 في المساء. So he goes back home at 3 o'clock in the evening. Our translation: I am a student at school. I wake up every day at 6 o'clock a.m. I eat breakfast with my family, then I go to school by bus. My favorite subject is math. I return home at 3 o'clock in the evening. And that brings us to the end of today's listening practice. If you want more listening practice like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you want more beginner, intermediate, or advanced listening. Or if you want something else. See you next time, Arabic with Amina.